I think the weather's playing tricks with us. We first thought it was nice and breezy and it turns a little sunny. Anyway, good morning again. Thank you for joining us here today. It's a proud moment for us at Star Health as we launch our new CSR initiative, the Star Arogya Digi Seva, our mobile health units. Imagine a world where quality healthcare is just a few steps away, even for the most remotest corners of India. That's the vision behind this initiative. We're not just launching a program, we're igniting a movement that empowers communities and improves lives. We believe this initiative has the potential to transform health delivery in remote Bharat, and we're super excited to see the positive impact that it will create in the lives of countless people. The services will be provided in 5 aspirational districts across Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. In Tamil Nadu, we've got 3 districts. It's Chennai, Mannaparai, Ramanathapuram, and Andhra Pradesh we have Visakhapatnam and Vizianagaram. Through our CSR program, we would like to go deeper into community health and well-being through a multi-pronged approach that impacts, that has a sustained long-term impact on the communities that we are focused on. We have just embarked on a baseline study that actually assesses the feasibility of this survey, and the project is underway in the 5 locations that I just called out. The study will provide a comprehensive understanding of gaps in healthcare accessibility, health-seeking behavior, NCDs, care cascade, before and after implementation of our assisted telemedicine services. Through community-based surveys, the risk factors of NCDs will be continuously monitored as well as recorded. Now, this data is hugely important because it helps policymakers and healthcare providers to understand the scope and impact of NCDs. Now, before we flag off the NHUs and kickstart our movement towards building a healthier Bharat, on behalf of the CSR team and employees at Star Health Insurance, I'd like to invite our MD and CEO, Mr. Anand Roy, to address the gathering. Mr. Roy.
Thank you, Dimple. A very good morning to all of you. At Star Health, friends, many of you are associated with this company for many years now. The vision of this organization has always been that apart from being a commercial health insurance company, we have always aspired to provide benefits to the society at large, mostly through our insurance offerings, where we were able to design so many products and services which were first of its kind, especially products for senior citizens, products for customers who are living with pre-existing diseases like cancer, like cardiac patients, and so on. We also launched many new initiatives like our wonderful telemedicine services, especially during COVID. I'm sure all of you are aware this service was of tremendous help to our customers as well as non-customers, and even to many of our employees and our agents who benefited immensely from this free service, which is very unique and one of its kind, manned by very, very qualified doctors and clinicians who were able to give wonderful guidance. So now we thought that all the specializations that we have created internally, how can we extend it to the community at large? We were running 3 health centers under the CSR program. And now instead of running fixed centers, we are planning to move to mobile units so that we can reach to many more needy customers and patients, especially in the rural markets, who can definitely benefit from this initiative. So I'm pleased to welcome all of you to the launch of our CSR initiative, Star Arogya Digi Seva Mobile Health Unit. A big round of applause to this initiative. We look forward to this being very, very successful. This initiative marks a significant step forward in our commitment in improving access to quality healthcare, especially for those in the unserved and underserved areas. I would also like to acknowledge our partners at Center for Chronic Disease and Control, CCDC, who have worked along with us for the last 3 years. And we have been able to achieve our mutual commitment towards serving society with health and happiness, provide healthcare services and medical help to rural communities. We aim to harness the power of our telemedicine services and the mobile health units to reach out to over 1 lakh people from 5 aspirational districts as mentioned by Temple across Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh in 74 villages spanning 10 districts. So I think this is a great initiative, and Tamil Nadu is our home state. நம்ம ஸ்டேட்ல வந்து நிறைய there are a lot of customers and population who are having who will get benefited from this service. I think so, and anything we can do for our home state of Tamil Nadu will be, wonderful, and I'm sure that our population will, society will benefit from this. 112 districts were selected under the aspirational districts program affected by extremely poor socio-economic indicators. This is a flagship program of the Government of India. As per IRDAI's vision of insurance for all by 2047, Star Health has been mandated the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this state has been allocated to us to increase the penetration of health insurance in this particular state. And we are committed to deepen the penetration and awareness of health insurance. Our objective with this initiative will also be to enable the community engagement and spread the awareness on nutrition and iron deficiency in particular, in tandem with the state and central nutrition schemes as driven by the ICDS. ICDS is Integrated Child Development Scheme. Our mobile health units in the 5 aspirational districts will provide a wide range of services including doorstep consultation, enhanced community engagement, awareness on nutrition and iron deficiency in tandem with the state and central nutrition scheme, and of course create awareness of health insurance. These vans are equipped with integrated medical devices including portable ECG, digital stethoscope, point of care diagnostic tools, and they are manned by paramedical staff. By combining the convenience of telemedicine with the accessibility of mobile health units, we are addressing critical healthcare needs to reduce the health disparities and improve the overall well-being of the community. I myself am definitely committed and contributing my time and volunteering towards this CSR initiative. We must give back to the society and we help to bridge some of the social and economic gaps. I would urge all of you to participate and volunteer wholeheartedly in this initiative. Whoever is willing to commit their time and volunteer, we'll be happy to take your services. Please do, let Dimple and team know. The CSR team will keep you updated on all such activities to engage and participate in our community initiatives. I invite all of you to join in this journey towards creating a healthier community. Thank you very much. Vanakkam, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. I'd now like to invite Dr. Purnima, Director CCDC, to say a few words. Dr. Purnima.
Wonderful. Good morning to all of you, distinguished guests, colleagues and partners. On behalf of my team at the Center for Chronic Disease Control, New Delhi, it is my pleasure and privilege to be a part of the launch of this very important initiative, Star Arogya Digi Seva program, with the support of Star Health Insurance. This is a groundbreaking initiative that promises to redefine healthcare, access and delivery for underserved communities. First of all, let me introduce my organization. The Center for Chronic Disease Control is nearly completing 25 years of existence. We are a not-for-profit organization dedicated to improving health outcomes through innovative programs, groundbreaking research, translational and implementation programs, and implementing all of these through very strategic collaborations, both local, regional, national, and international. CCDC prides itself for groundbreaking research, not just in non-communicable diseases, which encompasses heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and all the related risk factors like high blood pressure and diabetes. We also have expanded our work to health systems. Our partnership with Star Health Insurance is nearly more than 2 years, I think, actually, on the ground. And it started back in 2021 when we partnered with Star Health to launch the Assisted Telemedicine Initiative. 3 years ago, when the world was brought to its knees by the global pandemic COVID, we understood the power of digital medicine, telemedicine. But what about the people who have digital illiteracy? How do they access telemedicine? This was what our initial program, Star Digi Seva, actually started way back in 2021 to bring assisted telemedicine to bridge the gap between the caregiver and the patients in the most remote communities that we could serve. Building on the success of the assisted telemedicine program, which initially established 3 telemedicine clinics in Tamil Nadu, in Nanganallur, Kodambakam and Pasuvardhan, if I remember right. The clinics provided over 31,000 consultations and served close to 15,000 patients through health camps and doorstep visits. The program significantly improved chronic disease management, reducing blood pressure and blood glucose levels for thousands of patients while saving them their healthcare costs, and importantly, 60% of the beneficiaries were women. We pride ourselves on closing this gender inequity gap for healthcare access. Building on the success of that initial program, the Star Arogya Digi Seva program integrates cutting-edge digital technologies and mobile health units now to bring healthcare directly to marginalized communities. This initiative features a mobile health unit equipped with an advanced assisted telemedicine platform and integrates state-of-the-art devices including AI-based ECG device, a digital stethoscope, point-of-care diagnostics, and along with mobile power-enabled decision support systems for managing diabetes and hypertension. The program also leverages the Government of India's Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission program, is compliant with that program, and aims to create Ayushman Bharat health accounts, IDs, and ensure seamless patient record management. This program goes beyond medical care to include health awareness sessions, screening programs, and health camps, while enabling the creation of the ABHA ID and enhance access to healthcare services. Together with Star Health, we aim to reduce healthcare disparities and empower communities with accessible, affordable, and quality care. Let us continue working together to create a healthier and more equitable future. We heard from Star Health Insurance about your, the areas where you're going to be working, sir. So let's see if this can become a prototype for scaling up beyond Ungavuru, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh to the entire nation. We are very grateful to Star Insurance for their commitment to enhancing our healthcare initiatives. May your tribe increase.
Thank you, Dr. Purnima. As the next steps, I would like to invite Dr. Purnima and Mr. Roy to come and inaugurate the MHUs. Is there ribbon cutting? We now request Mr. Roy to flag off our first MHU drive-through to the 3 aspirational districts in Tamil Nadu.